Well, Jessie's runs from last season all became viral sensations. Something like 80 million views. Gets through the floating steps, heading up to the rolling pin.
Trying to figure it out, thinking it through, and look, grabbing her leg like a pretzel to keep them from falling down.
Woo! Hard fall, but she is through.
Deep breath, Jessie.
Now steps up to the wing nuts. Jessie does stunt work in many top TV shows and movies. Also does trapeze work, so she knows how to fly. Makes the first grab.
She's also got that experience as a pole vaulter back at the University of Nebraska. She's strong upper and lower body.
You're good, you're good.
A couple of extra swings here.
This message is transmitted at the request of the United States Office of Civil Defense to all surrounding counties. A possible detection of a non-interceptable long-range intercontinental nuclear missile from North Korea may be inbound. This missile is believed to be headed in the direction of the Chicago metropolitan area. It is believed that it will impact this area in the next 1.5 to 2 hours. All residents within a 300-mile radius of this area should seek a fallout shelter immediately. Fallout is a product of nuclear attacks. Prolonged exposure to fallout will result in certain death. Fallout will rapidly spread within a 300-mile radius approximately 1 minute after impact. If you cannot find a fallout shelter in your area, do whatever necessary to evacuate out the range of the attack immediately. Contact your local police department with any further questions you may have. Keep a battery crank-powered radio with you at all times. Tune in to channel 7700 AM to receive further instruction. You will now return to your scheduled programming.
Okay, come on now. Come on, don't play with my feelings like that, Jessie.
And she's through. And now to the broken bridge. It's the extreme variations on these steps that makes it so hard, going down, then up.
Nice on your feet, yep. All right,
And
good.
she's done it.
Good.
So now it's the one she really wants, Rolling Thunder.
What it feels like now, come on.
As we mentioned earlier, Flex Lebrecht, the only woman to get past this obstacle.
Looks like you're at your house.
Let's see if Jessie takes a different approach. Already moving quickly.
Now watch her. Okay, so
Did she get
qualifying
through
got
it?
her. She took off her sleeve. She's ready to fight this big old thing.
But you can see that drop was a hard impact, Dakar. Seemed to interrupt her rhythm.
Yeah, watch her. Slow it down here.
There we go, much better.
Did you see the way she did that? She slowed down that last drop so it didn't bounce her off. And now look at all those muscles coming through.
Ooh, slow it down.
That dang old plexiglass again.
Got it.
Break that
Oh,
plexiglass.
my, those arms fully extended.
Break that
And she
ceiling.
flipped around.
Come on.
Look at the distance. Only Jessie Lebrecht has gotten through it. Yes! Jessie Graf does it.
Well, we saw Jessie Lebrecht do it last year. Now we see Jessie Graf do it this year.
Now facing the warped wall. Jessie's one of the handful of women who've made it up in competition. And she does it again! And this crowd loving it. Well, she's gone farther than any woman tonight, so she's guaranteed to go back to the national finals. But how far can she go on this grueling course?
In case you didn't notice, there's still no finisher tonight. I think Jessie can do it.
The first test is the salmon ladder. She faced this in the city finals the past 2 years, got past it both times. Good precision.
All right, one more.
There we go.
That's it.
Look at this, Jessie Graf just warming up. But these giant cubes have been giant killers all night. Can she figure it out? Well, the pole vaulter, this is a familiar position, kicking that body around.
Yes. Nice.
But reaching up.
Uh-oh, she's using that rock climbing technique. Look at that flexibility.
Oh my
Look at that.
goodness.
Look at that. You look like Spider-Woman.
Jessie Graf, 5'8", 130. So powerful.
Get your feet on the wall. Get your feet on the wall, and it takes stress off of the upper body.
There we go, and now they're just dangling.
Yeah, she's just showing off. She's just showing off her upper body.
Just a great transition there to get those feet back up. Can she make this flip?
She's reaching out.
Are you kidding me?
Splits. What? Oh, my goodness. Shut the front door.
I don't know that anyone even thought of doing
I don't
that.
know. She just reached out and touched somebody. That's the Jessie Graf way.
That's why we love watching this woman perform, redefining the limits.
I am signing up for yoga class today.
Are you kidding me? Well, let's take it around to the other side. Well, once again, we saw this in Los Angeles.
She didn't
Jessie
use her
Graf.
spider webs. She didn't use her spider
And
webs.
she's through. The greatness of Jessie Graf. Tonight, we are seeing what this woman is capable of. And now facing another brutal challenge, the circuit board. Only 2 competitors have survived it tonight. She's actually made it to the 9th obstacle the past 2 years, but hasn't been able to get past it. It won't be easy tonight. This circuit board can be so taxing, especially coming after the 8 obstacles before it. And look at this precise approach out of Jessie Graf. Really using the lower body for momentum. I like it, Akbar.
She doesn't even look tired.
Through the first board. Now down to 1 hand. But doesn't panic. Saves it and just keeps moving.
I'm telling you, she's dressed like a superhero and she's performing like one.
Only about halfway through. And again, down to 1 hand. Saves it once more.
Look at that.
Come on, Jessie. Almost through the second board. And she's smiling like it's a walk in the park.
You don't really see her grimace.
Making that transition
She's
onto
been
the
hanging
third
for a
board.
minute. She's on the 3rd board, Matt.
I think she's gonna go for the dismount.
She's going for it. She's going for it.
Oh, yeah! Yeah! She got it! I think even she's a bit surprised. Casey Catanzaro, the only other woman to make it this far on the city finals course, and now Jessie's looking up at the 35-foot tower of the elevator climb. She'll be the first woman ever to try this obstacle, and no one has beaten it tonight.
I'm telling you, if she gets to the top, I'm running out of the booth and I'm running up there.
And here we go on the elevator climb.
She's got that extra thing. She's got the get factor, and that's for sure.
The arms are straight. She's using the body, and she's smiling. Come on!
At this point,
15
she's going
feet.
15 feet. She's got a lot. Come on. I don't see spider webs coming out. I just see Jessie Graf.
Everyone here trying to will her to the top. Does she have anything left?
She's saying no mas.
Come on!
She's saying no mas. I say yes.
Oh! Can't quite make it to the top as we got to witness the amazing Jessie Graf.
Namaste. Check out her doing the splits across that 6-foot gap between the giant cubes. No one had tried that before. Then she barely makes it to the landing pad on the circuit board, but halfway up the elevator climb, she was done.